2004 was an important year in many ways. NASA's Spirit and Opportunity spacecrafts landed on the surface of Mars. The Facebook was launched. The 2004 Summer Olympics were held. And so many other great things. But one more thing happened in 2004, not much noticed at the time. 3 engineers founded Litum, a company dedicated to helping businesses revolutionize their operations. Their mission was to provide business continuity and promote sustainability through state-of-the-art location tracking solutions. Through extensive research and development, Litum has designed and manufactured a comprehensive portfolio of real-time location tracking solutions that set the industry standard. Our cutting-edge technology is trusted by some of the world's most prominent firms, including Fortune 500 companies in over 45 countries. At Litum, we believe that every business has the potential to thrive with the right tools and resources. That's why we are passionate about delivering solutions that help our clients optimize their operations, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. With Litum, navigate the present to shape the future. Contact us today.